All right, I think we're playing right now. All right, that's good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Clown Underground. And the reason for my video today is I want to show you guys on YouTube some things I've discovered that would help you guys who are new to YouTube or who want to accelerate their YouTube experience, and who want to maximize their potential to get some reviews, as well as get some likes, and some also be able to get more followers on YouTube, and some things I've discovered that would help you guys who are new to YouTube accelerate your experience to the point where they are able to determine that you are eligible for monetization on YouTube. I've been on YouTube, I would say, as far as a content creator, for at least 3 years, and my experience has just been pretty funny. I've been uploading a lot of the videos I've had stored on my hard drive, stored on my external hard drives, and some of my flash drives that I've got, where I've saved the videos and didn't really know what I was going to do with them other than post them to Facebook, or maybe eventually post them to other sites. But oh God, I'm tired today. So I wanted to post them to YouTube, and you know, the reason why I come up with the name Clown Underground is because I see myself as a really funny person, so I just always liked clowns. They're funny, you know, they're artistic in a way. For somebody to, you know, sit there and put on all that makeup and everything like that, and to do it so well, it's like a variation of art and comedy together. I just like having fun. If, you know, something I think of is fun, you know, as long as it's not interfering with other people's lives, you know, just do it, you know. And some of the videos, like, where I enjoy, like, animals, like videography of like deers and cats and just wildlife in general. Sometimes I talk about some serious topics, but it's just day-to-day life, just being me, you know. The underground part is just I've always liked basements, and the name just came to me, and I was like, well, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna just, you know, make that a part of. It's just an interesting name together, you know. It's something to, you know, to just have a YouTube handle. And I guess what I'm saying here today is I'm going to walk you guys through how I'm going to go about showing you these things I'm talking about editing. This basically is editing YouTube videos, but this particular video, I've uploaded it, and I'm going to twist the camera around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then so I think, yeah, there we go. There we go. It's maybe a lot better. Alright. So, bear in mind with me, I've got this video I just posted today, and it has just the date on it of the day I posted it. So what I discovered here is we're going to go over here to edit video. This is really a good idea on these videos. The name of this video is basically going to be I am playing playing my new Ibanez electric bass without the amp. First time. Just having fun. And that's what it's about, is just having fun. So on this video here, I'm going to copy that and then come down here to the description. So it's going to say the same thing, but then I think I was, if I got the spelling correct, I'm going to make sure I'm verified. Ibanez. Yeah, TS. Yeah. Yeah. I think I got the spelling wrong, but anyway, this is what we gotta do my first time. That's just, you know, and then what I want to do is maybe elaborate a little bit more, but for right now, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to leave it like this. You can fill this in up to 5,000 characters. You can put like your Facebook handle on here, you know, whatever other social media profiles, for example. You can list other affiliate links in here in the description, and maybe a website you've got. So I'm going to list it as comedy. Like on a playlist here, I've got it down as comedy. I don't really have anything else I can put it under at the moment. So I always say, no, it's not made for kids. And the reason why I do that is because I believe YouTube won't allow me to have comments on here if it's made for kids, because I don't know if that's I just always use that as just not made for kids. Doesn't mean that kids are not going to play these videos or watch these videos or discover them. It doesn't mean anything either. So what I'm saying here is I'm gonna put a tag, electric. It's good to put tags on your video because it helps people discover you know, your videos if they're searching for certain things. They might want to come across certain links and stuff, and this helps if you tag your videos. You can put as many as 500 tags. The caption certification, you can choose from a few things. I just leave that one empty. Title and description language. Let's say if you wanted to put this into a different language, you could do that. The recording date, well, I'm gonna go back here and just say I'm gonna say the 25th. The location, I'm gonna put my city and state here because there's a lot of folks that live in my city. Category, well, I'm gonna do comedy, entertainment. You can do you say put music. I'm gonna put music as a category, and then I'm gonna put all allow all comments. And the reason why I say that is that if the comments are really bad and you know, YouTube doesn't like the comments that somebody else has made, basically it's their fault. But then I'm gonna go up here and hit save. So I guess what I'm trying to do here, guys, is show you that there's some things on here that you have to really fill all this out in order to really get your videos to be viewed a whole lot more. Because I discovered this a while back. I just posted a video without really giving it a adequate description. I just listed it as image 00889 or something like that, and with no description and no title of any value. Like I put Ibanez. There's a lot of videos out there with Ibanez in their title or description, and so this would be just one of the many videos featuring an Ibanez electric bass guitar. You can create thumbnails, upload a thumbnail. I don't do that necessarily. I could do that. I don't know if you guys would need to do that. Some people do. As I'm going over here, I say no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18 only. Yeah. Most of the stuff here that I've posted is kids friendly in a way, or people with a mature mind. So that's something to be, you know, thinking about. So yeah, I saved it, and so I'm gonna go over here. Now we have an adequate YouTube video with a description, and it shows the city. So if somebody looked it up, the city I live in, and they could end up, you know, seeing some, you know, videos based off the city. They put in Ibanez guitar. They're gonna, you know, come across this video. Now, whether they watch this video or not, is up to them. So, all right, we're gonna go and sign off. I hope this really helps YouTubers out. And always remember, when you post something to YouTube, fill out the whole description as best as you can, with as much information as you can, and so that way you can get many likes. You can get being shared. You can also get monetization, and eventually at a later date, if you produce enough videos and watch hours and get a lot of subscribers. The other key factor, I guess, is find something that, like, to brand your channel. To me right now, I don't really have a solid idea of how to brand my channel. I just like to have fun and post things that are enjoyable to me. I've had some people say some things on YouTube that were like they didn't like what I was saying, but I must swing it all back around now to my face so you can see me. All right, let's focus here. Yeah, there we go. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, and hopefully you guys have a good time making some videos, posting. I've posted maybe 3 so far today. Post as many as you can in a day if you want to. That's the whole thing, is to get those likes and subscribers, and get some watch hours so you can qualify for the YouTube monetization program and start making some money with YouTube. That's another side hustle you can get into, is doing that. And some people have made some good money on YouTube. Just tell me how things are.